Hello, guys. Welcome all of you in this podcast of English Conversation Book Practice. So, without getting late, let's start. Today's first topic is a business meeting. MD, the company managing director, Mr. X, please call the directors for an urgent meeting in the conference room immediately. Mr. X, yes, sir, I'll do it at once. MD, Mr. X, has everybody come? Mr. X, yes, sir, everyone has come. I was about to come and inform you. MD, please take down the minutes of the meeting. Mr. X, and oh, yes, please order for some tea to be served in half an hour. Mr. X, certainly, sir. MD, gentlemen, we have assembled here today to discuss a very important issue. As you are aware, we are about to get a very sizable contract for export. We need a lot of finance for that, and we should begin approaching people immediately. Finance Director. But I have already told you, sir, that at this time of recession, money is very difficult to raise. MD. I don't want to hear any negative comments, gentlemen. We have a wonderful prospect ahead of us. The company will make unprecedented progress if we can clinch this deal, and it will lead us to greater heights. No excuses will be accepted. Director A. But we should also be a little cautious if we put all our eggs in one basket. Director B. I agree with our MD. Unless we make our mark this time, our whole reputation is at stake. Director C. We must try all sources to meet the need of the hour. We are with you, sir. Just tell us what we have to do. MD. I leave it to your discretion. I leave it to your discretion. Make out a plan and show me the blueprint. Once each of us has an action plan ready, we shall meet again and consolidate our ideas. Then we shall give shape to the final strategy as to how we can best fulfill the terms of this stupendous contract. Are you all with me? Directors. Yes, sir, we are. Let us do our best. The company's reputation is no different from our own reputation. MD. That's good. Here is the tea. Let's drink to our success. Directors. Cheers. So, this was the scene of a business meeting. Let's move to the next topic. The next topic is introducing a friend. Here, two female is talking. Priya. Hello, Kavita. How are you? Kavita. Hi, I am fine. Thank you. Priya. When did you come to Hyderabad? Kavita. I came last week. Priya. Will you stay here for some time? Kavita. Certainly, for 2 weeks at least. Priya. I am waiting for a friend. He lives in Delhi. He is arriving today. Would you like to meet him? Kavita. Yes, indeed. I shall be happy to meet your friend. Priya. There he comes. Hi Ravi. Good to see you after a long time. Ravi. Hello Priya. It's good to be back. Priya. Ravi, I would like you to meet my friend Kavita. She and I studied in the same school. Kavita, this is my neighbor Ravi. We have known each other since childhood. Kavita, hello Ravi, glad to meet you. Ravi, hello Kavita, it's wonderful to meet you. Priya, how do you like Delhi? Ravi, it is a nice place, but I miss home. Kavita, so do I. Priya, I visited Delhi last year to attend a conference. It was an exciting experience. Ravi, my new job there is quite exciting too. Kavita, I feel Bangalore is slightly better than Delhi. Ravi, Bangalore is a lovely place. Have you been there, Priya? Priya, of course. I went there recently to see Kavita. Incidentally, she works there. Ravi, that's interesting. The next time I go there, I shall meet you. Kavita. Kavita, you are most welcome, Ravi. I look forward to your visit. Ravi, by the way, where do you work? Kavita, I work for an international computer firm as a programmer. Ravi, wow, that sounds really good. How long have you been there? Priya, she got the job a couple of months back. Her boss thinks she is an excellent programmer. Kavita, I am enjoying myself thoroughly. Ravi, are you here on holiday? Kavita, I came to attend my cousin's wedding. Ravi, when is the wedding? Kavita, next Wednesday. Priya, it would be lovely if you would attend the wedding, Ravi. Ravi, in fact, that suits me fine. I plan to stay here until the next weekend. Kavita, that would be marvelous. My cousin will be very happy to meet you. He also works in Delhi. Ravi, does he? What does he do there? Priya, he works as a ground engineer at Delhi airport. Ravi, I have few friends working at the airport. What is your cousin's name, Kavita? Kavita, his name is Manoj. He has been working there for the past 5 years. Ravi, is it Manoj Sharma you are talking about? Kavita, yes, that's my cousin. Priya, how do you know him, Ravi? Ravi, I was recently introduced to Manoj by a pilot friend of mine. Kavita, what a pleasant surprise. I am sure Manoj will be very pleased to see you at his wedding. Ravi, is the bride from Hyderabad? Priya, yes, she has just completed her MBA from Osmania University. She came first in the university and has got an excellent job offer in Delhi. Ravi, wonderful. My wife will be thrilled to have a new friend. Kavita, Ravi, is your wife working? Ravi, yes, she is an officer in the bank. Priya, does she like her job? Bank officers generally find their jobs a little tedious. Ravi, not at all. She enjoys her work immensely. Priya, it is very fortunate that we all enjoy our work. My job as a scientist is absolutely absorbing. How about you, Ravi? Ravi, As you know, I am in the health ministry and it is a very demanding job. I have hardly any time for my family. I have just come to see my uncle who is ill. Kavita, will you be able to attend the wedding then? Ravi, I shall try my best now that I have discovered that Manoj is my friend. Priya, see you at the wedding. Bye until we meet. So, this is the scene for an introduction to our friend. That's all for today, guys. See you soon in the next podcast. Bye bye.